Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of your United States Air Force, the commander of Air Combat Command, General Adrian Spain, and all the men and women of Air Combat Command, we welcome you to today's F-22 demonstration. I am F-22 Demonstration Team Superintendent, Master Sergeant Brady Paul from Kansas City, Kansas. As a proud member of Air Combat Command's 1st Fighter Wing, located at Langley Air Force Base in Hampton, Virginia, it is my distinct pleasure to describe for you today a capability demonstration by the most technologically advanced 5th-generation stealth fighter aircraft in the world. The F-22 Raptor's mission is air dominance. It supports our joint forces and allies to freely operate in today's joint fight, anytime, anywhere. And now, introducing your 2025 F-22 demonstration team. From Atlantic City, New Jersey, Dedicated Crew Chief Staff Sergeant John Carnock. From Yokota, Japan, Assistant Dedicated Crew Chief Senior Airman Alex Powers. From Newburgh, Oregon, Avionics Technician Staff Sergeant Gavin Gonzalez. From Fort Worth, Texas, Avionics Technician Senior Airman Logan Wanga Paibong. From Hampton, Virginia, AFV Specialist Staff Sergeant Taylor Webb. From Coachella, California, Public Affairs Officer Staff Sergeant Michael Bowman. From Richmond, Virginia, F-22 Demo Team Chief Technical Sergeant Eric Tolman. From Mar-a-Lago, Florida, our Safety Officer and Combat Ready Fighter Pilot, Major Alex Bison Flynn. And your 2025 F-22 Demonstration Fighter Pilot with more than 700 hours in the F-22 Raptor, from New York Mills, Minnesota, Captain Nicholas Laz Laterno.
Yeah, you do that. It's good. You know, it's not just like a mess. Right? Only you have to grow it little bit.
I'm trying to get that. I'm good, Sid.
Captain Laterno is completing his checklist and returning to chocks. We assure you we will do everything we can to get him back in the air. We have an excellent maintenance crew waiting in the parking area. We hope to see you in the air soon.